Kaseng Rongjeng Welfare Foundation kawer kakot yagi paidbah ban hiar satem riboy nakamtaga jinglek kemen telang ka tamasa kabaki khot ka Shyntor festival ar hajar ar pusan yakane jing pentip la pentip da kane ka kenhon ha ka jing kendo bat kinong pathai khubor ha Shillong Press Club mentaka sngi ki balayawan lang mentaka sngi ha Shillong Press Club kilong ka kongrosana lengdo uba ajuban lang karbi kheu orang basnong barim ka Shyntor uba edarius kersian bat kiwei Kanjing pelong yang kanjing tamasa kaban long nadu ka kharwai hadu ka khalai dari Nohprah arajar arfusan kalong ban genteu ya kakam jengok kai perthai haka than jongki hakane kata masa kindon palat khasan kenhon kinong tem nong put bat kinong ruai kibari na po ka jelabat na baru kumjo nalor ki wipat ki jing penbernia babon jaj
200 tourists, around 150 to 200 tourists will come and stay in the village for 3 nights, 3 days, and during the program we will also have some other content and the music festival. So the music will be participating on the music program. There are around some 20 plus music bands from already registered with us from different parts of Thailand and from Guwahati, and some 1 or 2 bands coming from Silchar. One may be coming from Nagaland and Manipur. We are already in this. Then we actually announced the program 2 months back to the district administration. So district administration in the board, they are supporting our event. We did several from the different departments. And by
Shyntorbulia, which is 25 kilometers from Nohprah. So this village is it's like an island. It's surrounded by water, and in this village I have 65 households. We have been working in this village for about 2-3 years now, and we have our headman here, and Rupang is also from Ynda Foundation. She's a partner for this program, and Bajuban is also one of the partners. And Babu and myself, we have been working in this organization for quite a while in this village. So we are from the Rongjeng Welfare Foundation. So the idea of having this festival is to showcase the talents that we have here, and also to raise funds for the villages around, because there are many small villages in these areas where we are working. So we felt that it's very important to raise funds so that we will be able to to help the village community with development which is needed there. And second thing is, the festival will highlight also, we will also have sand animation, because this festival is not only about music but also about other kinds of entertainment like sand animation, ventriloquism, then we have storytelling, then music, culture, and also the bonfire jam session. We'll also have cuisine, different cuisine, which will be highlighted in the area, and also we'll be having art residency program there, where artists from all over the country as well as from Meghalaya will be residing in that village for 7 days prior to the opening of the festival. So they will be having the art exhibition there, and after that their art will be taken to other metro cities for raising funds, and whatever funds they raise, it will be given to the village development. So maybe I can hand over to Pak.
Rongjeng Welfare Foundation ringkat bagi partners kita ni, iban organize ini event. Kande lupa nama batai ikam rozana. Kendan nang music culture, ki food cuisine nang tade. Kendan ki showcasing of different tribes and culture nang kani North East kujungi. Kendan ki musician, kendan ki group dancers, kendan ki storytelling kumla dapat kami mentan. But kiwi ki activities nama kande ka live sini but sawi. Nei, lalu kat waiter kat lain kat sao kin ki paidbah kilaban mi kat sao dere. Ke event yang sangat kat waiter. Tinginan pediang ru chua jeng kata iki beri bahasa ki bawan mensa naman kata juni kami tan iki locals and TV locals juni and then kata juni kalau ru panang krim show ki betul apa pasti juni beri yang juni. Ini sebenarnya nama bangi bakat orangnya airport ke tourism lain ke department of tourism jadi ke haka field of tourism kami lihat dengan kami nasional hakim itu juga bentar. Di kata dari kami, kalau bang ni ayah lu kunju ya kini ki upgrowing musician juga state juni kuma pi right side juga iba shong shati shindong ida negara remnants but ila job ya kan you are the first runners up hari kami lihat icon. But amde kamaki kita ni kena swing and sway kini ki outgrowing musician na kiwe ki jaka jangan ka sorga juni na ki we khap sor kunju jangan ka khasi jen tiaga juni nama ki wan ki buat betang ti ngindan tu ya ka showcasing ha ka bai dei bagai shat khasi ki ba phe na ki benta ba phe jangan ka jengla ka juni nalo kita ngin kuma pilai so mentan ya ka Shyntorbulia village kabadan 400 km na Nohprah pinalat na Nohprah 400 km ngin sedang di guide ki jongi ban guide ki forest kunjur ki locals visitors ki jongi ki ban sa na ni ki ban hakin ki event ki jongi di kani kalau da pi shi paidbah kam tam e shi ki pa tong shakhnam juga beri unjuk trap jongi ba ki khasi jan tiagaru ba kam tam I would also like to appeal the northeasterners like in Kinong Shakhnam the residents of our northeast beloved northeast India to visit the Shyntorbulia festival, which is going to happen from 11th of December till the 14th of December. Well, kumanshu menrap ya kata, karena patut tang kata, nama itu kita kalong lagu cukup buat dan ketiu dia ikhnom. Pi ka kaju tu ka perikong kalong ba, pi saudara jungi bengshang ni for, jadi kita ki social worker, jadi kita social worker. Nginton kanu ke income na kanu ka jing mi na dia lat na mengitre yang dulu amdenya dan rai da ka mensim pas murid da ka mensim jo jing teli tak kam da kata ka vision banora ka development haki villages na ni ki kendong ki shot jo ka jala ka ni ki ba ka sorka kamkot keti kamkot kejan kamyoi kamyot snow ya kita gijakan ka Shyntorbulia festival yang ba Rongjeng Welfare Foundation kita ka online service center bagi China Foundation kunju rupat ka foundation jung imam rozana rentang ta kiwi ki Rupang na national Shyntorbulia bagi sen mahalang du kintan kentanang bangi ban ya penyak cakang ni katam let's say film so pelang kandan ke festival ka bahe ka manangwan hakini kisni habo ka sorga jung ngenele kita ki manang ya nama ki benta ki jongi kalong banyak ketiu ki lajang kamtam e ban ketiu ki kisnong nong ki jongi kai ka benta ka bagale ka soka la ka jung benta ngim dan e kata Henry, ingin dia terikam nang ringkat bagi department di prepare. Nadu di block office, hadu di district administration, bat kum juru lada kalong. Iki kapsar, jom kita ki sinong. Nama kum kalong kan ki sinong karan hapo ki benta kaput. Bat kawai bagai jelak sang. Kum ki ibadah ngiru, ngiwan ra kata ka unity in diversity. Hal bangiran ki representative na po kira lang, ngiran ki representative na po. Kidan ki tribes ki na po Rajasthan ki ba offer ka performance ke jom ki nantang gidan pada hari ini parlok ini po North East gidan gidan ni po nak po Assam jadi jom pi situ gidan parlok ini po Assam nantang gidan hari ki parlok nak po Jana Foundation gidan hari musician pi kadang kata ka collective efforts happening jom ni kum kata ka Rongjeng Welfare Foundation bat ka online service center bat kiwi ki foundation ban gentiu ya kenika Shyntorbulia village kan ini kan first edition ngong pi kan ini first edition ka pamentang ngin sedang ngong pi ngim dan tang ban compare kajing persang kajungi kalong bangin nangi persang bergentiu di kini kisnong kibak kendong kumalang pi kibak sorka kampat bangta dan kisnong dan bani tinggi sultanat bagi dan katu ini di official letter kibak lapan pau syangi bagi keluar kan yang terekam ringkat nagi office bapia di kali kita appeal siki department bapia we will come to you very soon to meet you again and we are very hopeful that we will get some support from your end as well. Thank you very much.
Kita bayar
Entry fee kabay day mentah ini tickets kijungi ngira pelat online di online game pelat mentah tadi big dollars na siapa nama ke attraction ke jong kali Shyntor festival kalau cuma rukum ju bentan shishu itu dollars buat ngi saudong ngi nyale iktahi bagian entiu juga yo apa juga jalan dan tadi di tickets kumpa kilo mentah ngi di ki nam tadi locals ngi di tang harga dolar sepaksan pun kan bandung betul tang shising ke event di mana pikwa akan satu ke event kejungi badan different types of activities lain sebab pun dalam yang palat harga shising di nila ai tiket saya kipas ini dan nanti bagi sepoi sepi baru.
Who is the sponsor? Any sponsor from the government?
Sponsorship from the government. So far we have not got any sponsorship, but there is a word from different line department that we will be getting the support from them.
How much the budget of this?
Budget mentah budget ya budget dengan saya kini batai kini di pada yang lain yang kedua lain yang management lain yang pada financial management. Thank you.